Okay, example 3, let's look at a word problem. So we have construction kits that come in different sizes. The regular kit has 120 long rods and 80 short rods and 40 connectors. So we want to list 3 other kits that could be created with the same ratio of rods to connectors. It doesn't specifically say it in this question, but let's split up our all of our rods. So we have long rods to short rods to connector ratio. It just says rods to connectors. I could add both the rods together, but I'm kind of a bit poorly worded, I suppose. Should probably change that. At any rate, let's do it. So this is the ratio that we have right now. So we want to keep the same ratio of long rods to short rods to connectors, but have a different size kit. Okay, so let's do a smaller one. So let's divide by, let's say divide by 10. They all end in 0, so I can divide by 10. So 120 divided by 10 is 12, 80 divided by 10 is 8, and 40 divided by 10 is 4. So that'd be like a little mini kit. Let's do something in between. Let's divide them all by 2. So 120 divided by 2. So I'm always going back to the original here. Just in case I made a mistake in the first one, I prefer to go back to the original instead of carrying a mistake over. So I'm going to divide the 120 by 2, so I've got 60. 80 divided by 2 is 40, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. So now I've got kind of a small kit. I got a mini kit, I got a small kit, I got my regular kit. Let's have a big kit too. So let's multiply by 2. So 120 times 2 is 240. 80 times 2 is 160. And 40 times 2 is 80. So now I have 3 possible kits. So 3 other kits that could be created are my pen suddenly doesn't want to write over there. There we go. 12 long rods, 8 short rods, and 4 connectors. 2, I'm going to use my little dittos, 60 long rods, 40 short rods, and 20 connectors, and 240 long rods, 160 short rods, and 80 connectors. And there are 3 other kits that could be created. And here you have some practice problems you can do from the textbook.